Hello everyone. For this session we will discuss few important problems which is model 3. ఇంకా మన ఛానల్ ని ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. So without delay coming to problem. First one. See the first solution. Given sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z equals to pi. Then prove that x root 1 minus x square plus y root 1 minus y square plus z root 1 minus z square is 2xyz. So here given sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus sin inverse z which is equals to pi. So let us consider this is A and second one B and third one C. So right, let sin inverse x which is equals to A and similarly sin inverse y equals to B, and next one sin inverse z which is equal to C. So from this you can write the value of x, so you can send sin inverse on right hand side, so it becomes x is equal to sin A and y is equal to sin B and z is equal to sin C. Now we can consider LHS value. What is LHS? X root 1 minus x square plus y root 1 minus y square plus z root 1 minus z square. To prove this value is 2xyz. Since what are the xyz values? Sin A, sin B, sin C. So replace with them. First x value. Sin A into under root 1 minus x square, that is sin square A. Similarly for remaining, that is sin B into under root 1 minus sin square B plus sin C into under root 1 minus sin square C. So clearly which is sin A. So we know that under root 1 minus sin square A is cos A. So that is the formula only, sin A cos A. Similarly sin B cos B and similarly sin C cos C. Here we know that sin 2 theta formula is 2 sin theta cos theta, but there is no 2 here, so you should multiply and divide with the number 2. So here multiply and divide with the number 2. So clearly it becomes, first divide with 2 and you should multiply with 2. That is 2 sin A cos A plus 2 sin B cos B plus 2 sin C cos C. Now you can apply the trigonometric formula. So here we know that 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, but here in place of theta A is there. So clearly which is 1 by 2 into 2 sin A cos A, formula is sin 2A. Similarly sin 2B and sin 2C. So again we can use the trigonometric formula from the transformations. So we can write directly, since sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. So this formula is 4 sin A sin B sin C. So we have to remember this. Now clearly which is what? 1 by 2 into, what is sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C? 4 sin A sin B and sin C. Now clearly 2 ones, 2 twos, which is 2 into, what is sin A? X, sin B Y, sin C Z. Clearly which is 2xyz. So which is RHS. So next go for second solution. Here also they given cos inverse P plus cos inverse Q plus cos inverse R, which is equals to pi. Again similar process, this is A and this is B and this is C. So clear, which is let cos inverse P, which is equals to A, cos inverse Q equals to B, and similarly last one cos inverse R is equals to C. Now from this, what is P value? P is equal to, you can send cos inverse on right hand side, it becomes cos. That is P equal to cos A, Q is equal to cos B, and R is equal to cos C. Now clearly what is the equation 1? So here equation 1 implies, what is cos inverse P? A plus cos inverse Q, B plus cos inverse R, C, which is equals to pi. From this you can write A plus B is equals to what? Pi minus C. Here we have cos ratio. So you can apply cos on both sides, which is cos of A plus B equals to cos of pi minus C. We know that cos of A plus B formula, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So right here cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, which is equals to, here which is what, 180 minus theta form. We know that 180 minus theta lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant cos gets negative. For 180 cos doesn't change. Again we will get cos with the angle C. Now since what is cos A value? P, and cos B value Q, minus sin A. How to write sin A? Square root of 1 minus cos square A. Cos A is P, means P square. Similarly, which is square root of 1 minus Q square, which is equal to minus cos C value R. So we can send minus R on left hand side and these two terms on right hand side. So which becomes PQ plus R, which is equal to under root 1 minus P square into 1 minus Q square. Squaring on both sides. So what will you get? PQ plus R whole square, which is equal to right hand side. Square root get cancelled, which becomes 1 minus P square into 1 minus Q square. So which is of the form A plus B whole square. We know the A plus B whole square formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB. A is PQ and B is R. That is P square Q square plus R square plus 2AB means 2PQR, which is equal to, multiplying the two terms, 1 into 1 minus Q square, that is 1 minus Q square, minus P square into 1 minus P square, minus P square into minus Q square, plus P square Q square. Clearly P square Q square and P square Q square cancel. So you can send these minus terms to left hand side, it becomes plus. That is P square plus Q square plus R square plus 2PQR, which is equals to 1. So next question number 3. So this is also similar to previous one. Given tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z equal to pi, then prove that x plus y plus z equal to xyz. So similarly for fourth one also, here pi is given, but here I by 2 is given. So the third one, given tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z equals to pi. Let us consider this is A and this is B and this is C. So write, let tan inverse x, which is equal to A, tan inverse y equals to B, next to tan inverse z equal to C. So which is equation 1. From this you can write the values of x, y and z. So what is that? X is equals to tan A and y is equals to tan B and z is equals to tan C. So tan inverse and right hand side becomes tan. So x is equal to tan A, y is equals to tan B, z equals to tan C. Now equation 1 becomes tan inverse x. What is tan inverse x? A. Tan inverse y, B. Tan inverse z, C equals to pi. From this you can write A plus B equals to pi minus C. Now we can apply tan on both sides because of the given ratios are tan ratio. Now which is tan of A plus B equals to tan of pi minus C. We know tan of A plus B formula, which is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Again, which is 180 minus theta? It lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan gets negative. For 180, tan doesn't change. So again, which is tan C. Since replace tan A, tan B, tan C with what? X, Y and Z. First to tan A. X plus Y divided by 1 minus XY, which is equal to minus tan C. What is tan C? Z. So we can do cross multiplication. You will get x plus y equals to minus z into 1. Minus z into minus xy. That is plus xyz. So we can send minus z on left hand side. It becomes plus z. That is x plus y plus z is equals to xyz. Hence proved. Next question number 4. So this is also similar to previous one. So just angles are different. Clearly, let us consider the first term, tan inverse x equals to A. Second one, tan inverse y equals to B. And third one, tan inverse z equal to C. From this, you can write the values of x, y, z. For that, you can send tan inverse on right hand side. It becomes tan. Therefore, x is equals to what? Tan A. Similarly, y is equals to tan B and z equals to tan C. Now, we can substitute tan inverse x, tan inverse y, tan inverse z values in equation 1. Clearly, equation 1 becomes, what is tan inverse x? A. Tan inverse y, B. Next, C equals to pi by 2. So you can send C on right hand side, it becomes minus C. So A plus B equals to pi by 2 minus C. Here also apply tan on both sides, which is a tan of A plus B equals to tan of 90 minus C. We know the tan of A plus B formula. This is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B, which is equals to 90 minus theta first quadrant. In the first quadrant all are positive. For 90 tan changes to what? Cot. So cot C. Again cot C write as 1 by tan C. So replace x, y, z values with tan A, tan B and tan C. What is tan A? X. Clear, which is x plus y by 1 minus xy equals to 1 by tan C. That is 1 by z. Cross multiplication. X into z. Xz plus y into z. Yz, which is equals to what? 1 minus xy into 1. 1 minus xy. We can send left hand side. It becomes xy plus yz plus zx equals to 1. So this is the final answer. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.